Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. We have here for you a authentic country style living, 6 bedroom, 6 bathroom property in the rural area of Sheffield's Westmoreland, only minutes away from Negril. This beautifully landscaped, spacious and fully fruited 1.25 acres or 54,450 square feet property contains a main house with 1 bed, 1 bath, kitchen and dining upstairs, built-in authentic negril rustic, and a rentable 1 apartment upstairs. The second building is a guest house with 4 apartments for further rental income. 2 huge water tanks on the property, as well as laundry with washing machine, garden shed, and dog kennel. This peacefully country retreat, fully fruited with pear, lime, orange, lemon, breadfruit, mango, jackfruit, and banana, offers a relaxed lifestyle with rental income and enough land space for expansion. Other features of this property includes ceramic and wood flooring, water heater, ceiling fans, kitchen built-ins, fully fenced, fully walled, guest house, golf course nearby, private setting, recreation nearby, quiet area, and both paved and gravel road. The current price of this property is US 385,000 or Jamaican $60.8 million. Now, let's take a look at this property and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.